Hi there, my name's Dave Redman and I am Operations Manager for Mountjoy, a contractor for Portsmouth City Council. 3 months ago, we were asked a question at Mountjoy as to whether we were prepared to change our thinking. We were asked that question by Vanguard, an organisation that takes businesses through an intervention to develop and roll in systems thinking. And systems thinking is a better way of doing business. It's a common sense way of doing business. It looks at the customer to understand what the customer needs when they need it, the customer's nominal value. And then it says, what's your demand? What processes have you got? What's the waste? And what we found was that there were hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of waste in the business. We were looking at cost as an output, not cost as an outcome. We were looking at not training people for this course or that course because it cost £10,000. And yet the level of recalls and rework we had to do because of that lack of training or lack of equipment was costing us hundreds of thousands of pounds. And they took us through redesign, where we understood, or having understood all of the demand, looked at the way in which we could design our contract delivery against that demand so that we were able to meet the customer's nominal value. And then the final stage of the process that we were taken through was roll-in, whereby we took all of our learning, the new systems thinking approach to business and our new contract delivery, and we rolled it into all of the individuals within the organisation to truly give them the means by which they could meet the customer's needs. The final part of it was developing measures not in the financial sense, and I am a chartered accountant, and so costs, revenue, cash flows are all important, which systems thinking also recognises, but measures in the sense of demand, of quality, capacity, capability. Those are the important ones that also need to be focused on, because it's only when you truly understand all of the aspects of your contract and your business can you truly deliver the contracts. Systems thinking was an absolute revelation for me. It gave a framework which you could understand a contract. It gave a basis of delivering a contract where that basis wasn't purely profit focused, it wasn't purely internally driven, it was actually purely based upon the customer's nominal value, what they need when they need it.